it's me, Carrie. I'm so excited to do a step-by-step brow tutorial today featuring the Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. It comes with tweezers, a brow pencil, two-sided spoolie with a brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. I like to start out by using the spoolie that's in the brow kit and brushing out my brow hairs. I'm taking the brow pencil and I'm going ahead and adding in light feathery strokes. I'm starting at the front end of the brow and working my way around. Next up, I'm using the other end of that brush and going in with the brow powder. I'm starting with the lighter of the 2 shades. I go ahead and take the darker color and work that in on the end tail of the brow. Lastly, we have our highlight from the Bombshell Brow Kit. It sticks nice and gives us a great shine.